I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru candidate for Cardiff West, and we have an office. Come on in. The official opening of the office will be on Tuesday the 8th of March at 7:30 p.m. So you're all welcome to come on down. Supporters, members of the public, come on down and have a chat and a drink, and let's talk about how we can make Wales a better place, especially Cardiff West. The election is on May the 5th, and by voting Plaid Cymru and electing Plaid Cymru Assembly members, we can change people's lives. We can improve Cardiff West and we can improve our country. This office is going to be open from 10 o'clock in the morning, at least until 5 p.m. every day. So if you're around and you want to volunteer, pop on in, do some work with us. If you want a poster, come on down. If you need a postal vote, come on down. If you have any issues, then come down and speak to us and we'll do what we can to help. So the date is Tuesday the 8th of March, 7:30 p.m, 56 Cowbridge Road East, and it's Plaid Cymru's Cardiff West and South Wales Central new office. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.